George Soros made over $1 billion in one day. So I asked myself, what if I traded like him for a week? No fancy hedge fund, no team of analysts, just me and Soros' legendary mindset. This wasn't just about strategy, it was about stepping into the mind of a billionaire risk-taker. Here's what I learned after 7 intense days of trading, like Soros himself. Day 1, research mode. Soros believes in one thing above all, reflexivity. Basically, he says markets don't reflect reality, they shape it, so price truth. Time to think big. Soros trades on big macro shifts, currencies, central banks, global trends. So I shorted insert currency pair with trending news, based on inflation data and a weak GDP forecast.
Here's the scary part. Soros said, when you're right, you go big. So I risked 5% of my account on a single high conviction trade. Was it smart? Probably not. But it was very Soros. Midweek panic. Soros constantly questions his own positions. So I closed my best trade, even though it was still running profitably. Why? Because uncertainty is part of the process. One trade tanked. It hurt. Soros once said, it's not whether you're right or wrong, but how much you make when you're right and how much you lose when you're wrong. Translation, lose small, win big. I adjusted my position sizing. Risk less. Let winners run. Cut losers fast. I finally felt like I wasn't just trading, I was thinking. Last day, one final trade on insert asset. I used all the Soros rules. The result? I made back my losses and ended the week slightly in profit, but the real profit was in the mindset. Top 3. Soros lessons. 1. The market is often wrong. 2. Think in probabilities, not certainties. 3. Cut losses fast. Ride your winners. Soros made $1 billion in a day. I made $47, but I traded like a legend and survived. Want me to trade like Warren Buffett or Ray Dalio next? Smash the like, drop a comment, and subscribe to Learn FX for the next trading